In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a signature field in DocuSign. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so to add a signature field in DocuSign when you're preparing a document to send, we want to go ahead and come on over to apps.docusign and sign into your account. Then from there, we want to go ahead and click onto either get signatures or sign documents. I'm just going to go ahead and click on sign document. Now, upload your document that you'd like to sign. So I'm just going to put in this example real estate contract. Now from here, I want to click onto sign. Now we need to get into the document editor to do this. Now under fields, we want to go ahead and click onto signature, and then we can go ahead and place that signature where we need to in that document. So say I'm the buyer signature, I want to place that here. Now we can make it larger and smaller by clicking on the little circles on the corner of the form here, like so. So basically you can resize or reposition the signature, and we could do the same for the initial stamps and date signs as well. So we can do the same. Not sure if you can do the same with the date. It's not allowing me to. Now let's have a look at the initials. We can do it for initials as well. And then once you've done, go ahead and click onto finish and send as you normally would.